warm welcome to this team Volga Infosys. They are different from others. When they don't do different things, they do things differently. Devanji, Shivanji, Pallavi, the entire team is different from others. I say this thing with a huge responsibility over my home. Just kidding.
Amazing. I don't have enough words to express. It was truly a virtual reality. It was first time, lifetime experience when I was really getting close to dinosaurs, various kind of animals. It was looking like I was into that forest itself. Jurassic Park के भीतर ही बिल्कुल चला गया था. I must thank Volga Academy. Superb. This is the future technology. I'm sure it will change the entire landscape of the life in upcoming time.
Classes, and it was very scary for first time. I totally can't imagine. The graphics was very clear and the world I saw in the it's beyond.
I experienced VR for first time and it was too realistic for me. As you can see from my face, the experience was fantastic.